All right, everybody. It is Wes from Wes Almeida Restorations, and I am back with another video for another pair of shoes for a friend of mine. They are nice looking shoe when cleaned, and right now they're just a little bit dirty. Well, quite a bit dirty. But they are the Champion XG Rally Plus. They're just really dirty. That's all. They need a good cleaning. So some of this darkness I'm hoping comes off. So we're going to see what we can get done today. So come right back and I'll show you if I can get it done. All right, I'm glad you came back. So again, this is our Champion XG Rally Plus, and we're going to clean them up. They don't have regular laces, so this has got to stay on, so it's going to be a little bit more difficult probably to clean that up, but I'm going to give it a try. But we are going to take the insoles out. I will take my soft bristle brush, and I'm going to take it to all the upper area, and I'm going to try my best to get inside the shoe. Again, this is a little bit more difficult to get in there because it's just that much of a hole. So we'll have to see what we can do. I mean, I'll be able to get my hand in there. So as of right now, I'm not putting the shoe trees in, but I will put them in before I put them in the washing machine. So let's get started. Like I said, soft bristle brush. Got our bowl of water and cleaning solution. We'll take it to the shoes. The upper part of the shoes and the inside is done with the soft bristle brush. We'll touch that again on the insoles after we're done with the complete shoes. So now we're going to take the medium bristle brush. We're going to take it to the midsoles. Right there. Switch it off to the stiff bristle brush. We're going to take it to the outsoles. I'm going to let that sit there on that one while I touch up the other one. Let some of those studs do some work on the bottoms there. They're looking better already. They look a lot better already. Definitely going to go in the washing machine. Okay. Using the soft bristle brush, we're going to take care of the insoles. They're not real bad, but they could definitely be better. Got some water spots on them, but that's about it. Still got some stuff on there. We have to do some picking after we get them out of the wash, but they look a lot better already. All right, we're going to put our shoe trees in. And these are size 13, so not even sure it's going to do much for it, but we're going to put them in. Yeah, it doesn't do too much, but we're going to put them in anyway. I think these usually fit up to a 12, and then I think a Rejuvenator makes a different one that's for the oversized shoes, but I don't have that one, so I'm going to just put the one that goes up to the one that came with my original kit. But for now, we're going to try to put them in the bag. Okay, they're in the bag. Put our insoles in there. And we are off to the laundry room. All right, we're back from the laundry room. So we are now going to see how they look. Yeah, that's a little squished down. Look a lot better. All right, so got some touch-ups for the lint and hair and stuff like that on them. So we're still going to take them off. So we'll get on that now. All right, the shoes are done. We're letting them dry. They will be done and dried probably tomorrow, hopefully. And this is what we have. Soles look like they're brand new. Got everything out of the insoles or out of the outsoles. They're like white again completely. Like I said, a couple spots that just don't seem to be wanting to come out, but really not that bad. They came out really nice. But we got some before and after pictures coming up. For my birthday this week, my wife bought me a master airbrush spray paint kit, so I can't wait to try to use that. Stay tuned for the paint jobs coming up soon. Okay, we're done. Those shoes are nice and clean. They came out real nice. Look at that white. The bottoms came out excellent, as you saw the pictures. They're really nice looking shoes, and I'm glad they're done. You can have them back tomorrow. They're dry and ready to go. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get all the videos when they come out. As always, I appreciate your support. Peace.